Hi, welcome to this week's video. It's an exciting one. I love fashion videos and I love getting the most bang for your buck and being able to wear one pair of items in multiple ways. So today's video, 5 different ways to wear one pair of jeans. These are brand new, just bought them at Target. They're Levi Strauss. Adore them because the stretch is ridiculous, incredibly comfortable. The style that I went with is a high-waisted bootcut flare. Makes everybody look longer. It's a style that most women can wear. I almost went for, really, really loose jeans are in right now, and I almost went for a pair that looked like slacks, really wide-legged slacks. But I know a lot of my petite women or under 5'4" might struggle with that. So I wanted a jean that everybody could wear at a super affordable price point. Again, these are from Target. They will be styled 5 different ways, from airport, traveling, running errands around the house, going out to lunch with the girlfriends, office, and then evening. Before I launch into the video, I just want to remind you, I haven't talked about this in a while, but I am going on tour shortly. Yes, it's the Flourishing Tour for my podcast, and I will be in Washington, D.C. on June 13th, going up to Brooklyn, New York on June 14th, back down to the South in Dallas, my new hometown, on June 19th, and then my old hometown, Houston, Texas, in June 20th. Did I say all that right? It's all in June. Anyway, it's all in June. There's a link below if you want to see the venues, if you're in those areas in the month of June. Again, 13 Washington, 14th Brooklyn, 19th Dallas, 20th in Houston in the month of June. I would love, love, love to see you. We're gonna have so much fun. It's wild. Courtney and I are already planning it. We've got amazing swag and giveaways and just encouraging talk and getting to share and getting to be together. And we're also nominating Miss Flourishing at each and every venue. So it's very interactive and celebratory of women doing great things, and I love that. Okay. On with today's video. My first look is going to be airport. A lot of us are heading into travel season. It's early summer, and airport travel for me it's critical. Number 1, comfort, and number 2, temperature. I'm always freezing at airports and on airplanes. So layers for me is everything. Obviously, starting with a super soft, stretchy pair of jeans. I went with a lighter denim because we are in the spring and summer months as opposed to a darker one. So with these, I decided to do and by the way, I will link everything in the description below. A lot of this stuff purchased at Target or, affordable retailers too. So for my travel look, I've got our denim on, the bootlegged flare. I have a button-down knit from Target, kind of an oatmeal color, a cool pair of kicks from Nike, and I'm going to layer with this orange hoodie that I got at Lululemon. Just, kind of a fun, nice pop of color. Again, layers. If I get too hot, I can take the jacket off. If I get too cold, I can put the jacket on. But for me, everything for travel needs to be soft, needs to feel good against the skin, needs to be layered. But I'm sorry, I don't want to look like a schlub at the airport. I like to have some level of style, even though things are very, very casual these days. So separates are great. Comfort is key. You could, throw on a ball cap if you want or not, depending on what the hair is doing. But this is great for travel, big oversized bag or a backpack or whatever you need. But again, I just like comfort and warmth whenever I am on the go at an airport and, going to a new destination like a podcast tour. You might actually see me in this outfit if I'm traveling. Okay, so the next outfit is just kind of bumming around town. Let's say you've got some errands to run, but you don't want to be, in your yoga pants and outfit, and you want to dial it up a notch. Again, take the pair of jeans. Again, for me, it's layers. I like to have different layers on depending on where I'm going. If I'm hot, if it's, warm outside, maybe cool inside some places. So I have this super cute, kind of a crop type of a loose, not really a tank, but just a crop top with some thicker spaghetti straps that I got from Banana Republic, and just an extra layer, a white button-down shirt from Target. Again, if you're noticing, I'm keeping my top short because whenever you have a high-waisted pant, you want to have a shorter type top. So not necessarily crop showing the midriff, but just on the shorter side. And a pair of sandals for this look works really, really great. Just bumming around town. You could do tennis shoes with this as well. but it's just sort of an elevated casual look. It's comfortable, it's loose, it's flowy, get some errands done. If you run into somebody, you're not, trying to hide underneath your t-shirt and ball cap and pretending like, oh, yeah, I really didn't dress up for this. I don't know. I just think it's super casual, a little bit more elevated, stylish, but just great for knocking around town. The next look that I want to present is just kind of going out to lunch with the friends. First of all, the denim on denim trend is super big right now. Super big. I'm not going to belt this look because I think it makes it longer and leaner when you don't belt it and cut yourself off in the midriff. Try to go for the same tone, texture, shade of denim if you're trying to do a denim on denim. It just matches better. It looks more like a full outfit together. In this case, I'm just dressing it up. I love a good hat. So this nice hat with, it's kind of like a straw hat, and it's got a brownish leather band around it. And then I'm going to pick up that tone and do it in a sandal on my foot. And this is just so cute and fun for going out to lunch. Again, it's a great way to style the jeans. What I love about stretch denim, what you love about stretch denim, is the fact that you can eat and not feel the pinch and the bind, and you're not miserably uncomfortable. But again, it's just, I think, a really cute way to dress it up a little bit. The denim shirt, I'm not quite sure where I got it, but I will try to find, if I can't find exact links for you, I'll try to find something that comes pretty close if you like the overall look and style of an outfit. But love the ruching down the middle of the shirt, gives it a little bit more of a dressy component. You can pop a really cool scarf with this and dress it up that way. Again, there are so many neat options with a look like this. Kind of skews a little bit more toward the Western flair. Can't help it, I'm in Texas. I'm going to pull off an outfit that's got a little bit of Western chic going on anyway. Could even do a boot with this if you wanted to as well. Okay, so let's say it is casual work day at the office. You can wear jeans and you want to elevate your jeans just a little bit. For me, there's nothing like pairing it with a silky blouse to really dress up your jeans. You could do a kitten heel with this. In this particular case, I'm doing a mule that's a little bit more of a pointed toe crocodile look, sort of picks up the pattern in the blouse, and you can do a jacket over that. Offices tend to be cool, so you know me, I'm always going to throw a jacket on everything because I don't like to be caught in a space where I'm uncomfortable and I'm cold. I hate it. The older I get, the colder I get. Do you find that to be true? I don't know what that is. Could be thyroid or just getting older. It is what it is. So anyway, this really dresses up your jeans. I think it's office chic. You can do a pump with this if you want to. I just like, again, keeping my toes covered keeps me warm in an office space. So I feel like I am safe with that. Now for our nighttime look, again, I am going to go on a more casual side underneath. This little shell is from Target. It's adorable with the little buttons up the back, kind of like a tank crop shell. Again, still going with that midriff, that crop to be able to show off the high waist in the jeans, putting a nice belt with it, dressing it up, putting a black kitten heel with it, and then another layer. And this is where I can get a little jazzy and do kind of this bronzy gold lame. This is an old vintage Ralph Lauren jacket that I found at some resale store back in Houston way back when. And again, elevates it. So think jacket, think popping with, something that can dress something like this up, or when you take it off, it's just a little bit more casual depending on where you're going. But it's a nice way to elevate these jeans, bring a little level of sophistication to it, and you're still comfortable, you're still kind of that casual chic. And I find that these jeans kind of transcend all looks, all styles, all body types, and all situations. So I was really cognizant in what I chose because I wanted to find something that could really swing and go either way in terms of what we're trying to accomplish. But there you go, super quick and simple, but these are 5 ways to style one pair of jeans. And I hope you were able to get some takeaways from all of these. Don't forget to infuse your own flair, your own style in all of this. If you're more of a color person, pop some color. If you like more neutrals, the capsule wardrobe concept is more neutral based, and that way you can get more looks out of different clothing options. A great pairing over something like this would be a trench coat if you wanted to keep it neutral, another denim jacket, but again in the same style and tone of denim. So you have all kinds of options too, even like a fitted type black top for evening could look really great. But this is what I had, and it's what I grabbed in my closet, and it's what I'm sticking with. Comments and suggestions, thoughts and ideas for future spring and summer videos. I'm listening to you. I want to do what it is that you're looking for. You had been shouting out for a style video, and especially the denim videos I think are really, really tricky. And I know I struggle with this too, especially different types of denim. What kind of shoe goes with it? What kind of top? How do I get as many looks out of a pair of jeans as possible? Because we all, and hey, I was there. When I moved, I cleaned out so many pairs of jeans that I just wasn't wearing anymore. And I don't want to over purchase. I'd rather find a style that suits my body type and then find ways to dress those up and get as many uses out of those jeans as I possibly can. It's just being smart, economical, especially during today's, financial times when budgets are tight and we don't need to be spending money on, 5 different pairs of jeans to get 5 different looks, right? Let's do things smartly. Okay, I hope to see you on the podcast tour. If you live in those areas or if you're anywhere close by, please come in. We're going to have a good time. That I can promise you. It'd be so cool to be able to meet you in person, and hopefully we'll be able to add some more tour dates to the schedule. But I actually booked the tour before I started working at Mira Street, so I'm even scratching my head wondering how I'm going to get all of this done. Anyway, we will take it as it comes. But go out, be bold, and be blessed. Have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.